वो कहते हैं ना, जो सबक हमें किताबों से नहीं मिल पाता वो एक सफ़र हमें सिखा देता है। और इसी सफ़र से कुछ पाने और कुछ सीखने हम निकले थे महाराष्ट्र के सबसे खूबसूरत हिल स्टेशन की ओर। ये वीडियो महाबलेश्वर का पार्ट 2 है। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा तो पहले मेरे चैनल पे जाके पार्ट 1 का वीडियो देखिए। महाबलेश्वर में पहले दिन कुछ हद से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत नज़ारों को देखने के बाद हम अगले दिन के लिए इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे कि बस सुबह होने का इंतज़ार था। और जैसे ही सुबह हुई हम हमारे सफ़र को आगे बढ़ाते हुए निकल पड़े। इस महाबलेश्वर पार्ट 2 के वीडियो में आप देखोगे एल्फिंस्टन पॉइंट, मार्जरी पॉइंट, सावित्री व्यू पॉइंट, कैसल रॉक व्यू पॉइंट, ऑथर सीट एंड द ब्यूटिफुल वेन्ना लेक। So with that, watch the video till the end to enjoy some breathtaking views.
What's good everybody? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to another fresh episode all the way from Mahabaleshwar. So यहाँ पे मौसम एकदम मस्त हो गया. The clouds are rumbling crazy. There's clouds all over. अभी हम लोग ड्राइव करके भी जब आए थे, it was literally through the mist, fog, whatever you want to call it. The weather temperature has dropped crazily. We are loving each and every second of this place.
Okay, so we've reached Elphinstone Point, which is the first point for this episode. So basically after Old City, so one suggestion for all of you is while you are planning your day itinerary in Mahabaleshwar, you should start with Kate's Point, Echo Point, which you saw in our previous vlog, and then continue to Old Mahabaleshwar, visit all the temples, and then head towards Elphinstone Point, Savitri Point, followed by Arthur Seat. So we have now reached Elphinstone Point, and let's go. I don't think there's much of trek or walking here.
Yeah, it looks like it's
right
it's
here.
close.
So let's go and see the view. Can't wait to see the view. Come on,
I
let's
am
go.
also super excited because पूरा बादलों में हो गया ये place. So I'm hoping वहाँ पे बादलों का crazy scene दिखता. So let's get going.
So can't believe this is for real. Rahul is confused, you know.
No, hear the
Yes.
clouds rumbling.
The clouds rumbling, and to the right we are above the clouds, you know. The clouds are also, you know, below us. And so in this beautiful weather, one thing, you know, while climbing or you know visiting any of the viewpoints, one thing is a must. What you have to do is to stop at any of the stalls and have garam Maggi. We're going to have that, you know, like after this, you know. So basically this was discovered in 1830 by Sir Murray. Yes, and after that it is named Elphinstone because at that point of time the governor Bombay ka governor was Sir Elphinstone, so it is named after him. So यहाँ पे there are two sides, right and left. Right side is the Savitri Valley, you know, and the left is the Koina Valley, what we can see, and right in front of us is the Pratapgarh Fort. You know, like the view of Pratapgarh Fort is right here.
So this is Savitri Valley. जैसा आपको दिख रहा, these are all clouds. I have never seen something like this in my life. I am telling you, I am out of words. So ये सावित्री वैली है, beautiful beds of clouds, and this is Mr. Monkey, local monkey. ये जो आप सामने देख रहे हैं वो पहाड़ पे थोड़ा visibility कम है, of course because of the clouds. That is the Pratapgarh Fort, and on the left we have the Koina Valley. यहाँ पे थोड़ा clear है view. And it started raining pretty heavily. Oh god, let me capture that before it starts raining. So this is the Koina Valley. बहुत ज़्यादा wind blast है. I'm sure you are hearing a lot of wind blast. आपको river का वो दिख रहा होगा. But look how beautiful that is. Yeah, I mean each and every place is out of the world. यहाँ पे थोड़ा clouds नहीं है. If you see the sky is a little clear from that side. So this is the Koina Valley. That is the Pratapgarh Fort there, and that side is the Savitri. I to loved Savitri Valley. I mean, just look at that, dude. All clouds, and these monkeys, yaar, in logo डर भी नहीं है. They're actually on the cliff. But look at that, beautiful scenes right for you. all the way from Mahabaleshwar.
उड़ना है मुझे बादल बनके, मुझे आकाश होना है, कभी बरस जाना है, कभी गड़गड़ा कर बदमाश होना है। और ऐसा खूबसूरत नज़ारा मैंने मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं देखा। मुझे ये मानने के लिए इतना मुश्किल हो रहा था कि मैं एक्चुअली बादलों के ऊपर खड़ा हुआ हूँ और पहली बार बादल मेरे नीचे है। इन खूबसूरत नज़ारों को एंजॉय करने के बाद वक्त आया था कि हम हमारी दूसरी लोकेशन की ओर बढ़े।
So this is the next point after Ellingstone point. Immediately after that, not even 200-300 meters from there, the next point what you will see in this way is Marjorie Point. So even from here the view is extraordinarily beautiful and in between the clouds. And let's not waste much time here. Just quickly take a glance of the place. So all right, we are in the next destination for today, which is the Savitri Point. So this is soon after Marjorie Point. Within a kilometer we reach Savitri Point. It is a little steep. We just walked around like 200-300 meters, and it shows Savitri Point is here. Oh, that was a lightning.
Yeah.
Yes.
Was it? Oh wow.
Yes, it was a lightning. So we are here, Savitri Point. Let's go there and see and witness much more beautiful views and scenic beauty from there. So the significance of this place is that, this is the origination of a beautiful river Savitri, which flows here in the valley. And this is also called as Suicide Point. Maybe I don't know what happened at that point of time. But apart from that, apart from the origination, it is very beautiful and one of the most visited places because of its stunning view from here. So let's go and catch those beautiful views.
I'm already seeing some crazy beautiful scenes. वो बादल दिख रहा है आपको? It's actually flowing and there's lightning all over the place. The clouds, I am not exactly sure how high we are above the sea level. Do you hear that? Those are clouds. So I don't exactly know how high we are at the sea level, but can you see that, dude, right behind me? I'm telling you, this place is out of the world, but also at the same time it will test you for your fitness. So थोड़ा सोच समझ के आना, वो दिमाग में लगा लेके. Alright, so we have made it to another point which is called as Castle Rock Viewpoint. This is again giving the view of the Savitri Valley. Basically जो Savitri Point गए थे अपन, if you see there people walking there, that is the Savitri Valley Point. So this is kind of an extension of that very particular point. और यहाँ से आपको Castle Rock Viewpoint के नाम से place है ये. And this is again giving the beautiful amazing view of this. Actually वहाँ से जो view है, this is a little higher. जो सावित्री पॉइंट था उससे थोड़ा higher है because of course we are going uphill. तो यहाँ से और clear view आ रहा, जैसे वो side, that side of the mountains and all सावित्री पॉइंट से clearly नहीं दिख रहा था and उतना visibility नहीं था जितना दूर दूर तक दिख रहा. So this is another amazing yet beautiful place. Okay, now enjoy this beautiful shots of the Castle Rock Rock Point.
So here we are at the last point in this route, which is the Arthur Seat point. So we have reached here, and this is named after, as you can see, Sir George Arthur, who was the governor of Bombay Providence. And guess what? This is the queen of all the viewpoints. So basically Mahabaleshwar mein what is there to do? There's a lake, there are majority of the things are like about the viewpoints, and this is the queen of viewpoints, and apparently you get the best view of both the valley and the entire scenery around Mahabaleshwar from this point. This has 6 points in total, which is the seat point, that is the last point, you know, and there's Echo Point.
And the scenes from the Echo Point are wow, just wow.
Hunter Point, Tiger Spring, Window Point and Malcolm Point.
Malcolm Point, और यहाँ से पॉइंट्स अपने को यहाँ से क्या क्या दिखते हैं, मतलब ऑर्थर सीट दिखता, तोरोना घर फोर्ट, प्रतापगढ़ फोर्ट और सावित्री वैली. सावित्री वैली तो दिस होल प्लेस गिव्स यू अ ब्यूटिफुल व्यू ऑफ सावित्री वैली, एंड दैट देयर एग्जैक्टली वेयर माई फिंगर इज पॉइंटिंग, दैट इज द ऑर्थर सीट. आई वंडर वेयर द किलास आर. लुक एट दिस सीन dude.
Very long journey, because apparently of all the viewpoints, this one you will have to trek a lot, you know. It's more than 30 to 40 minutes on one side, and you know, just steep down the stairs, and then climbing back is a task. Yeah.
This was crazy. Pura not used to that walking incline and decline. This is going to test your fitness level to the next level. बात कर रहा हूँ. So with that, I have no patience to walk, climb, run, do anything. So with that, we are done with all the points and viewpoints here in Mahabaleshwar. यहाँ से निकलेंगे and let's head towards our next
And
destination.
mostly the might be the last destination for today.
For today, yeah, I'm already done. देखो भाई, आप लोगों के लिए इतना कर रहे हैं. All you have to do is support us, like छोड़ो और subscribe करो. Right, so we have reached our next destination, which is of course hill station में lake नहीं है तो chance ही नहीं है वैसा. मतलब this is the lake which is called Venna Lake. This is actually जहाँ पे हमारा resort है वहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. So this is called Venna Lake. The lake is right in front of you. So this has boating this side, and after boating we are going to do, at least I am going to do something very exciting which I always wanted to do. Of course ये पूरा end तक देखो, आपको समझ में आया था. I'm sure you're gonna love that last part.
So there are 2 types, paddle boat and a rowing boat. A rowing boat के लिए तुम्हारा, you know, if you want to row by yourself, it's 400 for half an hour and 800 for an hour. And if you want somebody to row for you, it's 200 extra. And we took this, like, you know, Bhaiya who is behind us, who is rowing for us. So half an hour का ride है. Agastya slept off, but it's fine that, you know, it's a good way to end your day on this beautiful serene lake. And abhi hoga sunset, it's already 5:30. So we'll end our day on this lake, you know, with a boat ride and experiencing the beautiful sunset.
So with that, our boating is completed, and now I've come to do something very special, and I've been dying to do for a very long time. That is a horse ride. So ये घोड़ा है. So this is for jump. इसका नाम है युवराज, and for ride we'll be going on that. It's called Garuda. तो super excited. चलो let's hop on to the horse. भाई पहली बार चढ़ रहा हूँ मैं.
सर आप टेंशन मत लो सर, आप कंफर्टेबल बैठो, आपको कंफर्टेबल राइड करा के देता हूँ, जंप भी करा के देता
तो जंप करने के टाइम पे बॉडी थोड़ा सामने रखना ना।
हूँ। थोड़ा सा लूज रखना है, पहले तो बैठते टाइम लूज बैठना है।
हाँ।
जंप करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा नॉर्मली झुकना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना।
All right, so welcome to the cockpit. Oh my God. So this is the first time I'm riding a horse.
रेडी उठा रेडी उठा